In the last video, we covered guidelines on catalog creation, touching upon different sections of a product catalog, product titles, product types, various other elements, best practices, and other guidelines to be followed by sellers while creating an online catalog. In this video, we will continue learning about an extremely important aspect of catalogs, one that could make or break a sale: product images and their importance. Humans are visual by nature. A single product image can tell us more about a product's quality than paragraphs of text. A picture's worth 1,000 words. Images provide a sense of scale and product build quality, which helps build the seller's credibility with a potential buyer, resulting in more orders. Product images are the primary visual elements on a product display page. Research by a major e-commerce player in India states that 63% of customers consider images more important than product reviews or descriptions. Another major seller has quoted that 80% of their product sales are ones with high-quality images. There's also research conducted by e-commerce sellers of another existing e-commerce marketplace that claims incorporating product videos improved online marketplace profits by 144%. Hence, it's important to have high-quality product pictures and, where appropriate, videos as well. Now, let's see what are the quality parameters to follow to ensure a high-quality product image. It should have good resolution and should be of the right size. It should not pixelate when zoomed in the buyer application. It should have a contrasting background. It should not have shadows or content in the background. The product should be centrally aligned in the image. It should be captured at an eye-level angle. The first image a buyer sees should not be a close-up picture or show the product partially. With regards to clarity of content, ensure the nutritional value of food products is clearly visible in display images. Have a close-up and clear picture of nutritional content. Now that you know how to ensure your product images are top quality, let's see how you can best use them to improve your business. Here are a few suggestions. Have at least 4 images of the product. This can vary by category. In certain categories, 1 to 2 images can also work. For example, for food products like a burger, simply a side view image could be enough. Have product images from different angles, including front and back, with an eye-level view. A product information image if required. For example, a grocery product should ideally have nutritional content and ingredients images. Have an infographic showing product features if required. For example, an office chair with back bend angles, size comparison images for certain products, and size chart images in the case of apparel. Have an infographic or an image representing the relative size of the product. For example, a phone against a pen. Do not include additional elements or products in the image. The image should show only what a buyer would receive. In the case of food and grocery products, include an image of the FSSAI license number of the manufacturer or importer. Product images are important if a seller wants to sell a product online. And not just any image, but high-quality images. The next section of catalog creation that we are going to look into is product specifications or technical details. This helps buyers make an informed choice regarding a purchase. Hence, it is important to include these details on the product display page. In the case of mobile phones, you should add important details like storage space, RAM, screen size, camera quality, number of cameras, processor details, etc. These details are usually provided by the manufacturer and are required while creating a catalog for technical products like machines, appliances, computer and computer accessories, mobile and mobile accessories, IT, and electronics categories. Another important element that accompanies images and product specifications in the product display is the product description. This is a brief description of the product in a paragraph format. It can be just one line or multiple lines, depending on the complexity of the product. For a food product like rajma or dosa, a single line can be sufficient, while a product like a printer, a security camera, or a designer kurta may require 4 to 5 lines to provide more details about the product. Keep the description complete but brief so that the customer understands the product while spending minimal effort in reading. Product description highlights the benefits of a product. It is not just a rewriting of the product specifications. It should create product appeal in the buyer's mind. A good product description uses superlatives, storytelling, and social proof to create a unique identity and need for a product. Let's go through a list of key do's and don'ts so you can create an ideal product description. Sellers should ensure that a product description focuses on what problem the product can solve for the buyer, where and when the buyer would use the product, how a product is better than others in the market. Now that you know what to do, let's learn about what not to do while writing a product description. Do not use too many words. Avoid grammatical errors. Avoid usage of words that are difficult to understand. And avoid duplicating or copying a competitive brand's similar product description. Whilst purchasing on a buyer application, buyers may have some questions regarding a product or a product category. Here are a few frequently asked questions. You should ensure sellers address these to help retain customers on their product page and prevent them from browsing elsewhere for answers. The risk in that case is that buyer, in the pursuit of an answer, may never return and drop off from a purchase journey. In short, FAQs help reduce buyers' times in finding answers to common queries. They help build a buyer's confidence in purchase decisions. They build trust in a seller by highlighting their understanding of customer queries. They also help retain customers on the product page. Here is an example of FAQs. Questions for the apparel category. FAQ 1. Is it a thick material? FAQ 2. Can I wash it easily? FAQ 3. Does it shrink after washing? FAQ 4. What is the length of the trouser? For the printer category, FAQ 1. Does the printer have scanning capability? FAQ 2. Is the printer compatible with all laptops? FAQ 3. Can I connect this printer to my mobile? Bear in mind that the buyer network participant may also have some minimum standards for listing. Do check the section on governance and policies on the ONDC website. Scan this QR code for more details on this. A better quality catalog can result in better visibility on the buyer applications based on the sorting and filtering logic used in the buyer applications. Also, refer to FSSAI labeling requirements for food-related products and the BIS labeling requirements of legal metrology for cataloging. You may also refer to this on the website or application of the respective buyer applications. The ONDC network plans to provide support to you in catalog creation through its Catalogue as a Service initiative. The participants will be informed about the service at the appropriate time. To round up, in this video, we learned about the importance of visuals on a product page, suggestions to enhance product display with images, some image quality parameters, product specifications and descriptions, checklists, do's and don'ts, and minimum standards regarding different image usage. Once the sellers are onboarded and their catalog is live for buyers to place orders, the seller must be able to manage the orders, accepting, delivering, and handling returns, etc. This process of managing operations to deliver and handle returns, if any, comes under order management, which is the topic of our next video.